You know, I've been talking about this forever. It's finally happening. You probably didn't think I was actually going to do it at some point because I've been talking about so much and haven't doing anything. But taking the lift kit that was on our white Cherokee, putting it on this gray one here, and see how far I can get with it today. Got tires off is really where I'm at with it right now. But let's go take a look at the what I'm going to put on there. And like I said, it's off of the white Cherokee. Probably saying to yourself, well, why are you doing it this way, taking the entire axle and everything off? Part of the reason is these axles have new bearings in them, where the old one, or the one that's on this Jeep right now, I have no idea the condition. You can see sway bar link is broke. That happened the other day. And then these control arms here, those are brand new on this. And I don't know the age of them on this old one. So I just figured it'd probably be better just to switch everything out. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not. I didn't know how old these parts on this thing are. And rather than trying to guess, I'll just put the ones I know are new on there. So probably creating a little bit more work. But hopefully in the end it'll be a little bit nicer. So I'm going to get busy here. So we're going to start with the shocks. Get the front shocks off. Move this bolt here. And those two little bolts here. But also I just want to point this out. I was talking about this earlier. You can see this is completely broken off. It's the same way on both sides. Next, we are working on the sway bar. Okay, so I got the sway bar out, I got the steering. Come on. What's going on there? The shop inspector actually just showed up to check on things. I don't think she's too impressed with the progress I've made to this point. But I'm glad she's here supporting the team. So, but I wanted to, this is a weird thing that happened to me. I was taking the U-joint off with this 8mm socket here, and it kept spinning on the bolt, almost like it was the wrong size, but I knew it was the right size. And so I pulled it off to look at it, and it's actually cracked. I don't know if that will focus for me or not. Enough to where you can see this. Let me get behind here, maybe that'll help focus. I don't know. Anyways, it's cracked all the way down the side of the socket. I've never seen that happen before, never had that happen before. So that is really bizarre. Anyways, got that off. Getting ready to take the control arms. So I'm down to the control arms and the brake lines, and then we'll have the axle ready to come out of there. Okay, next we're going to take this off. I think I'm just going to try to take the whole bracket off because I got the whole bracket off on the other one. Okay, I just have to say this. Don't judge me on what you're about to see. You know you've done this before. Anyways, let's see what we can do. Let's get this thing off. Nice. That came out easy. Okay, last thing is the brake lines. Everything's disconnected, ready to come out, so I'm going to use my transmission jack, see if that'll help me pull that out from under there. So let's set up and do that. Hoping to somehow use this to help with this heavy thing. Officially out. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to show you the current status. This is the new axle in front of it here. I've been doing some rust encapsulation under there. I'm waiting for that to dry all along here, and then so tomorrow I should be able to get this back together. But I've been thinking about this back, and when I go to do that, I think all I'm going to do is take these spacers, put them on these axles. I'm not going to swap the whole axle out like I originally thought. Put the spacers in, those shocks on. This brake line here, it's a longer brake line since we're lifting it up in the air a little bit. I think I'm going to call it a night, let that paint dry, and then get back at it tomorrow. Okay, got the front all done. Started tearing the back apart. We got the shocks out. And you can see I had to punch out the mounting screws up there. Same on the other one. Next, gonna work on these U-joints here. U-joints, U-bolts. Should hopefully go a lot faster than the front. So, again, I'm not gonna change out the whole axle. I'm just gonna take these and put them on there rather than switching everything out. This is my GoPro mount. It's done too, so we're just gonna make the best of it. All right. So I already got the other side on, so this is one not wanting to drop as much, which is probably gonna help me out, I hope. Getting that lined up. Nice. So I don't know if you can see that, but it just fell right into place, which was okay. Now I got these giant U-bolts. So the interesting thing is they had either really small U-bolts or really big U-bolts at the hardware store or the parts store. So wait till you see this. You're gonna get a kick out of this one. Couldn't find anything in between. That's all I'm gonna say. Look at that. We got enough slack. But at least they'll work. Alright, so we're all done. Watch this. This is one of the old shocks I took off. It's stuck. So yeah, needless to say, they needed to be replaced. Do you guys want to see it? So there it is. Tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty freaking awesome. I just got back from the tire shop. They did an alignment and made sure the steering wheel was straight. But other than that, she is good to go. I think it looks pretty freaking cool. I'm loving it. Tell me what you guys think of it. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's kind of gotten us back to the point where the white Jeep was at before the accident. So we're going to figure out what to do next. So let's talk about that. I really am happy with how it looks. I'm not sure what I even want to do with it now. I just like how clean it looks. But like I said, I was so excited about getting that ARB bumper that I think I'm going to end up putting it on there and just seeing how it looks. Tell me what you guys think. What would you do if this was your Jeep? All right, there it is, the final product. Kind of got us back to where we were with the white one prior to the accident. So I've got this one and got the green one going too. So one good thing out of the accident is we now have two Jeeps, two Cherokees from that. So got a ton of little things we want to do to this one. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit subscribe now and see what some of those things are. If you like this video, thumbs up. And until next time, we'll see you guys. Boom!